In a modern welfare state, the government performs many functions for the benefit of citizens. With increasing powers of administration, there is also a risk of misuse, delay, and corruption. To control such problems and protect citizens, the institution of Ombudsman has developed. Definition of Ombudsman. An ombudsman is an independent public authority appointed to investigate complaints of citizens against government officials and administrative agencies. Simple meaning. It is a person who acts as a watchdog of administration and helps people when they face injustice from government authorities. The concept originated in Sweden in 1809 and later spread to many countries, including India, in the form of Lokpal and Lokayukta. Features of Ombudsman. Independent and impartial authority. Appointed by government but works without interference. Investigates complaints against public officials. Provides quick and inexpensive remedy. Focuses on administrative justice. Functions of Ombudsman. Receives complaints from citizens. Investigates maladministration, delay, corruption, abuse of power. Recommends corrective actions. Ensures fairness and transparency. Suggests reforms in administration. Contribution of Ombudsman in a welfare state. 1. Protection of citizens' rights. In a welfare state, citizens depend heavily on government services. Ombudsman protects them from injustice, harassment, and unfair treatment. 2. Control over administrative abuse. It acts as a check on misuse of power by government officials and reduces corruption. 3. Ensures good governance. By correcting administrative errors, it improves efficiency and accountability in governance. 4. Provides easy and cheap justice. Unlike courts, the Ombudsman procedure is simple, informal, and less costly. Even a common person can approach it. 5. Builds public confidence. People gain trust in government when they know there is an authority to hear their complaints. 6. Promotes transparency and accountability. Government officials become more careful and responsible in their actions. 7. Helps in administrative reforms. The Ombudsman suggests improvements in laws and procedures to prevent future problems. Example, India context. In India, institutions like Lokpal and Lokayukta perform similar functions by investigating corruption complaints against public servants. Evaluation, critical view. Advantages. Quick remedy. Independent functioning. Citizen-friendly. Reduces burden on courts. Limitations. Recommendations are often not binding. Limited powers in some countries. Dependence on government for implementation. Conclusion. The Ombudsman plays a vital role in a welfare state by ensuring that administration remains fair, transparent, and accountable. It protects citizens from injustice and strengthens democracy. However, its effectiveness depends on the powers given to it and the willingness of authorities to implement its recommendations.